Sampurasun. Firstly, if you don't understand Sundanese, you might want to turn on the caption, but unfortunately I can not provide it in your language perhaps, so I will only provide it in English. And secondly, I would like to say thank you to everyone who have watched my Sundanese Let It Go. And if you haven't watched it, just click the paper and you'll be directed to the link. So now, let's just move on to my Sundanese parody of Do You Want to Build a Snowman from Disney Frozen. Enjoy!
Teteh, teh hayu anjang-anjangan, hayu urang ulin. Teteh teh leungit ka mana? Abdi sono atuh kaluar teh. Baheula urang batur, ayeuna lain, aya naon ieu teh? Teh hayu anjang-anjangan, nu penting mah urang ulin.
Indit sia maneh.
Atuh lah. Teh hayu anjang-anjangan, sapedahan yu di imah. Hirup di dieu teh meuni sepi, gawean teh ngelek ketek temok. Seuri atuh jang, gogoleran di dieu, ngitungan detik, siga Krisdayanti menghitung hari. Teteh, teh gerak keluar di teangan babaturan, di bejaan urang teh sing sabar, atuh teteh ganjang buka. Ayeuna nganduaan abdi aral kudu kumaha ieu. Teh hayu anjang-anjangan,